Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your reel has a line clip and that the line diameter matches the clip slot. This prevents slippage. Once done, flip the bail open and pull out enough line to reach the clip plus a few inches to spare. Make sure to remove visible slack and keep steady tension with your thumb on the spool. That tension keeps wraps tight when you secure the line. Now position the line against the clip where it will sit straight and flush. Next, lay the line neatly into the clip slot so it sits without any twists. Alignment matters because a crooked line will slip. Then take 2 to 4 firm wraps around the spool or tie a small backing knot if your reel design recommends it. This gives extra bite. Close the bail and reel in slowly for a few turns to seat the wraps and check for even tension. If the line feeds smoothly, you're ready to spool more line or set your lure. To finish, trim the excess, leaving about 1/4 to 1/2 inch past the clip so the line can't slip out but won't snag. Once done, apply moderate load, either by hand or a gentle cast, and watch the clip hold. This verifies that the attachment will endure a strike. If you notice slippage, red-eye-tin wraps, add another turn, or tie a small backing knot to increase friction. One troubleshooting tip: if the clip still fails, switch to a slightly thicker line or a different clip position.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.